Hi YouTubers. Okay, it's Roxanne here, admin from Cricut Expression group. I will leave a link for you down below because that's where you will find so many useful hints and tips on how to join up your Cricut Expression 1 as shown here to be able to use with shortcuts a lot 5. I just came out here to put it on this table where my Explorer 2 is set up, and just to let you know that the cord that powers both of these machines can be used in both of them. Alrighty, I'm not connected to the internet with the Expression. This one is for you. This is step 1. So the first step is how to see what version firmware you have on your Cricut Expression. Now this is crucial. So this is number 1 step on your journey to downloading or to buying and installing and using Shortcuts a Lot 5 with your legacy Cricut Expression 1 machine. So quickly, what I'll do is I'll just get you to turn on your machine. Now before you turn your machine on, okay, so put your finger on the power button and just make sure your eyes are focused on this little screen on the left hand side. So when you turn it on, see how it says Cricut version 2.43, and then it will go away. Okay, it says that I have Plant and School book. It just says Plant and School book, and then okay, so as I said, this isn't connected to the internet, it's just ready to use with cartridges. Alrighty, so that's your first step. That's how you know how to check your firmware version on your Expression. Now the firmware on mine is version 2.43, which was the last ever update for the Cricut Expressions from Cricut through Cricut Craft Room. Cricut Craft Room disappeared in July 2018. So that's a bit of information there. There are no longer any programs that will help you use your cartridges, like welding them and doing stuff like that, unfortunately. Okay, so go off and do that and then come back to step 2, which will be me teaching you how to update that firmware, which can still be done because we need to update that firmware to a minimum of version 2.34. So mine was on 2.43. Okay, so we need to get you updated. It could take a couple of passes to do that, but we'll talk about that when we go to step 2. So see you soon in the next step.